What is the most trending business on the internet in 2022? Thank you so much for your time here. I appreciate you. Jeremiah is my name, entrepreneur from the Nigerian country. At the end of this episode, I believe you are going to gain massively about business and your life will never ever be the same. There's no doubt about the fact that we have a whole lot of businesses on the internet. We have cryptocurrency industry, the most powerful industry on the internet today. But you can't just invest now and become a millionaire before the night. Miracle usually happens in cryptocurrency industry in few months or between 1 and 4 years maximum, which is one cycle. We have programming industry like PHP, like WordPress, like JavaScript. For you to be successful as a programmer, it takes time. That is, you have learned and understand the knowledge of programming. We have the most beautiful skill on the internet, the best skill, which is copywriting. Copywriting is the foundation of everything on the internet, even the program we are doing now. But you can't just start the copywriting business now and become the best copywriter in the world. You need to start from understanding the opening, the headlines. Otherwise, nobody is going to read your copy. You need to understand big idea about the copywriting. Amazon KDP is another most popular business on the internet in 2022. But you can't just open an Amazon KDP account now and be started offloading books. Amazon is going to give you access to withdrawal in minimum of 60 to 90 days. Can you see that? It can't possible for you to be making millions monthly, but that is another most trendy business on the internet in 2022. On the internet, we have so many, a lot of people are selling their physical products on the internet, but you need to advertise to sell very quickly because generating organic audience, organic buyers, organic traffic is not easy. It takes time. So you can advertise on YouTube, especially the most popular one people are using the most, which is Facebook. But YouTube is also good, but on Facebook or whatever the platform you are using, and be gaining buyers, access to the right buyers massively, very quickly on a daily basis. But all these things I'm talking about still takes time. So what is the most trendy business on the internet in 2022? It is affiliate marketing business. Why affiliate marketing is the most trendy business? It is as simple as recommending product or service, let's call it solution, to the needy, to those painful. Let me give you the case study. When I'm in need of something now and you recognize the thing to me, you recognize the thing to me. Why won't I buy something that I need? I would. So it is as simple as that. And the commission, you get paid in commission. And the commission is usually 50% minimum in average. That is the reason why you see affiliate marketing industry producing new set of millionaires on a daily basis. Because as you are talking to me now, if you follow this simple instruction that I've just uncovered now, and you join any of the most popular affiliate links, you started promoting your link in a decent manner, you can be making millions within the next few days, let's say even 30 days, because affiliate marketing producing new set of millionaires on a daily basis. So making money in affiliate marketing is as simple as ABC, because you are recommending solution to the hungry market. So it is as simple as that. That is why affiliate marketing is the most trendy business on the internet in 2022. So that is it. I'm going to post another secret video in the next few hours. So please click the follow below now and select the highest notification at the top. Immediately it pop up on your screen. Click follow and set the highest notification. You're going to gain access to the next video I'm posting within the next few hours, because I used to post new video every day and I talk about business in this channel massively. Also, share this video across below now, because sharing is caring. When you share it across, you're going to help people out of various financial calamities. And also, click the description below, which is the third assignment, and you're going to see the link. Click that link and you're going to gain massively in this episode. You are going to get thousands of the secret I'm sharing you through the link in the description below. Let me hear your voice in the comments. Ask whatever be the questions that are affecting you on your business, on your journey, on your goal on the internet, and I'm going to share you my huge experience dealing with the internet. Internet is as simple as ABC if you understand everything that is happening online. I remain my name, Jeremiah, entrepreneur from Nigerian country. Thank you so much for your time here. I appreciate you. Watch out for another tangible episode within the next few hours. Thanks for watching.